Ninth place, I'm a huge fan of anything horror and anything sci-fi and anything alien. So, specifically yung Alien franchise. So,
Di ba may sinili tayo?
yung
Tinis ko na
Alien
lang
Covenant.
Tangin, ba't ako nandito? Anyway, ako.
Yeah, I remember that. Parang that was from maybe 7, 8, 9 years ago.
Hindi ko alam.
Oo, basta ganun yun. Yeah, we did watch. Ito na yung katuloy nun. So that was the last entry ng
puta, ganun siya
Alien.
katagal.
Yep. Bago nagkaroon ng bagong Alien movie. So I was so excited to watch it. And to my surprise, maganda siya. Nag-inject siya ng Gen Z element like characters sa story. Found a way to make it fresh again, yung franchise. And medyo creative sila dun sa monsters ngayon.
So, ibig sabihin, yung setup niya ay contemporary palagi?
In the future, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Post-apocalyptic.
Okay.
So, nasa space, tapos, yun, may mga batang,
Yes,
annoying na Gen Z. And then, yeah, so parang na-surprise ako dun sa, sa alien design for this particular film kasi it was so different from the previous entries. And may takot and shock factor siya ngayon na hindi ko nakita from the last few alien installments. So, yeah. I like it. So, yun yung 9th place. Okay, what's yours?
Challengers. The sexual tension is very rich. Tama ba yung adjective for sexual
It's
tension?
palpable.
Oo, putang ina.
It's so good.
And, kung may naalala man akong malala sa movie na to ay the fact na isa to sa pinakagusto kong ending from 2024. I love the ending. Kung paano siya in-execute. Yung papaisipin kaya, though ang obvious naman. Tapos pag naisip mo, parang tangina, ang galing, ganon. So yun na muna.
Okay.
Kasi mamaya malalaman niyo kung bakit. Anyway,